Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the 972 lecturer vacancies notification from 18 departments, and here eligibility is the only PG, no need of UG, Senate or the PhD, and the salary is up to 1,42,400 rupees per month. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate December 2020 cycle exam, so from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity, guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. To the main content of this video. So here in the staff selection board, that is Department of Higher Education and Government of India. So that is ssbodisha.ace.in. It is a website, guys. I will provide all the necessary links in the description box of this video. You will find out the links at the end of the description box of this video, and you may check down here. 22/3, 2021 date, online application form for the post of lecturers in non-government aided colleges of Odisha. So click on this one, then you will be directed to this web page, guys. So here advertisement number 005 of 2021, download the advertisement. So lecturer in non-government aided colleges of India. So if you want to apply, you have to click on this one. But anyhow, first we will see the advertisement. So click on the download advertisement, then this advertisement will be downloaded. We will see very clearly what exactly here it is. So for the post of lecturers in non-government aided colleges of Odisha, and website as well as the email ID is also provided. So online applications are invited from the prospective candidates for recruitment of 972 post of lecturers in the scale of pay 44,900 to 1,42,400 rupees, that is pay matrix level 10 of ORSP rules 2017, plus usual DA, daily allowance as admissible from time to time for the non-government aided colleges of Odisha in different subjects. Okay, so here you have to apply the online through ssbodisha.ac.in, and the schedule of online application as follows. Opening of online application 22nd March 2021, and the last date or closing of online application 21st April 2021. So we will see the more details here. So coming to the vacancy positions, okay, just check down the departments, and as per the caste category also the number of vacancies are distributed here. So departments are anthropology, botany, chemistry, commerce, economics, education, English, home science, IRPM, logic and philosophy, mathematics, physics, political science, psychology, Sanskrit, sociology, statistics and zoology. Total 972 vacancies are there. Okay, so these are the category, guys, right? These are the subjects, and as per the departmental wise you may check down. And coming to the age limit, the general category shall be 21 years and the maximum shall be 42 years. Means minimum is 21 and maximum is 42 years as on 1/1/2021 for the general category. Anyhow, the relaxation of 5 years is allowable for the SC, ST and SC, BC, women, ex-servicemen. Similarly, the upper age limit is relaxable up to 10 years for the candidates belonging to the PWD categories. Okay, there will be relaxation also for the ex-servicemen as per the government guidelines. And coming to the educational qualification, all the qualifications acquired should be on or before 1st January 2021. A candidate should possess a master's degree in the concerned subject from a recognized university with at least 55% of marks or its equivalent grade. Okay, provide that candidate belonging to SC, ST, SCBC and PWD shall possess a master's degree with at least 50% of marks. Okay. And what is the procedure of selection? First written test, and then career and viva voice test will be there. So the total weightage in marks for the career assessment 25. So based, if the PhD, then you will get the 25 out of 25. If you are MPhil or NET, then you will get 10 out of 25. Okay. The selection shall be made in the following manner: career 25 marks, written test 150 marks, viva voice 25 marks, a total 200 marks. Okay. And while coming to the written test, okay, subject as per the syllabus is given in the website itself, which is carrying the 150 marks, and out of this 150, 100 questions are the objective type of thing with equal weightage, with provision of negative marking is also there, 0.5 marks. Okay, and the candidate shall be called for interview by state selection board in order of merit equal to 3 times. Okay, so to be eligible for interview, the candidate to secure minimum qualification marks of 40% or 30% for this category in the written exam. Okay. So place of examination. The written examination shall be held at these mentioned cities. Okay, Balaspur, Berhampur, Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, and Sambalpur, depending upon the number of candidates in the respective zone. And the application fees of 500 rupees only for the candidates coming under the unreserved category, and 200 rupees for the remaining category. Okay, and the amount has to be deposited online. And for online deposit of fee in the bank, the account number and bank name and IFSC code is also mentioned here. Okay, so the applicants will have to apply online only, and the applicants called for the Viva Voice test shall be asked to submit their certificates and other documents for the verification purpose. And other eligibility conditions are, apart from the educational qualification, other eligibility conditions are citizen of India. The candidate should be able to speak, read and write Odia fluently, and must have passed at least an examination in Odia language equivalent to that ME school standard conducted by BSc Odisha. And a candidate who has more than one spouse living will not be eligible. And candidates who are working in any government, public or private sector undertaking, okay, eligible to apply, provided that they must inform the respective head of office in writing regarding submission of their application for this recruitment form through no objection certificate by the date of Viva Voice. Okay. So few more conditions are also mentioned here. Anyhow, these are the main points, guys. Okay, for the application purpose. So I will provide this link at the end of the description box of this video. So please go through this one and subscribe the channel. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide